Let me show you how to change the App Store country. Now keep in mind if you're on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, if you're not able to change that country, most likely it's because you haven't set up an account with a new credit card and billing address in that new country. Keep in mind if you do want to download apps from the App Store, you need to have a credit card, debit card, credit card on file with that new address issued in that bank account for that new country. Now you can open up the App Store on your iPhone and you can tap on your profile at the very top right to get to it. And from here, get to your App Store settings. However, I find it a bit easier to get into your settings and do it from here. So open up the Settings app, tap on your profile at the very top where it says your name. And now you'll be able to see towards the bottom there is Media and Purchases. Just tap on that. Now you'll be able to see I can view the account for my App Store, so just tap on View Account. And now it will pop up with my App Store account. All I need to do is find country or region and tap on that. Now mine is set to the United States, and let's say I moved to the United Kingdom and I wanted to change it. Keep in mind you might find that it pops up with something that says cannot change country or region. You might find that it says your subscription to Apple, whatever, Apple One or any subscription must be canceled first. So if you don't see this, you can just go through and change that country or region. But if you do see it, you can tap out of here and then tap on subscriptions, that second option. And then from here, I have an Apple One subscription, so I would have to tap on it, tap on any of your open subscriptions, scroll down and hit cancel. After you've done canceling it, all you need to do is go back out of here, change that country or region right here, but you also need to go into manage payments. From here, you'll be able to see your payments associated with your old country. All you need to do is hit add a payment here. And keep in mind, you can enter in a new address, a new card number, etc. for a credit card, debit card, all of that stuff. And keep in mind at the very bottom, the billing address has to match that new country that you just changed it to.